Hello everybody, today I'm going to talk about dock safety. We're on our dock here at Lake of the Ozarks. We have stuff like this, a power lift, we've got some light fixtures up here. It's nice to have electric on a dock, but you need to make it safe. I'm going to tell you one thing, like the first thing you can do to make your dock safe. Additionally, there are places around like electric companies and also a city organization down here that will check your dock for safety. So feel free to get that done. But I'm going to give you the first step to do that. I'm Bruce Petrov with Home Maintenance Solution and the online community of Ask Handyman Bruce. We'll be right back. All right, you all have seen these. It's a GFCI receptacle. They just protect your electrical outlet or anything that's plugged into that outlet with a ground fault protector. So if any of the electricity leaves the circuit by someone touching like a grounded surface of some sort, then it will trip that GFI and it'll cut the power. It'll also protect anything that's downstream from that. So if you wire into the load side of that GFCI, anything that's powered off of that load side will also be protected. Let's talk about more. So the thing with docks is that they have power running out to them. So you could have a GFCI outlet in, like, say, your first outlet out there on a pole or something that really protects everything that's plugged in. You might think you're in good shape. But a lot of times the actual wiring can short out onto the frame of the dock, or wiring can get drooped down into the water. So there's really actually a better way. Let me show you one more thing. Okay, we're inside here at our sub panel that feeds the dock. I took the cover off so you could see just a little bit more. But right here, we've got two GFCI breakers. Okay, so those breakers protect the wiring and everything that runs to the dock. So all of our systems are protected under this GFCI. So if anything shorts before it even gets to an outlet or a switch out there, you're going to be protected. So this is a much better way to go. All right, so there you have the first tip to dock safety. There's a lot of other things you can do too, but I hope you guys understand that one as a basic. I want you guys to have fun on your dock and take out the fear. No fear, have fun. All right, enjoy.